Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a simple install. We're going to be replacing the HID lights in the e39, and we're just going to be replacing them with replacements from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Everyone, so here we go. Here's the e39, and we're going to be changing out this light right here, but we are going to need to jump the car, so let's go ahead and do that. So up here in this BMW, they have these things like that so that you can get some current to the car. And you put your red one, then you put this to ground. I don't know if it's gonna reach all the way over there. You see that ground, but we're gonna try it out. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this. Twist it. This comes right off. And oh, that's not good. Maybe that's the reason why this went out. That's not good at all. It was creating kind of like a fire there.
Why?
So I know this boot, it's easier if you kind of like twist it.
That got fired.
So I'll be using a T20 Torx bit, and I'm just gonna remove this just to be on the safe side, because I was kind of messing with it and it doesn't seem to want to come out from there. And if you look closely, so I can hold this still, and let's see if I can get in there. You see that, how these black tabs are holding it down? Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove this. I'm thinking that's what needs to be removed, and so let me go ahead and do that. You just need a T20. There's 3, 1, 2, and 3, and let me do that and go ahead and do that, and that way we'll get on with the video. Wow, it got burned. Check it out. That's how burned it got. That's crazy, dude. So then the bad thing is it burned this too, and back there, as you can see. I'm gonna use these are from Amazon, and we're gonna put them here. Hopefully the same thing doesn't happen as the other ones. Those weren't from Amazon though. Those came with the car, so I'm not sure what happened there. Done. That's pretty much the install for the light. I just do want to go ahead and mention that in other videos they don't show you where you might have to take that little black border that we saw earlier, like that black little top. In some videos it doesn't show that. In this one you had to do it, and here you go. Here's why this failed.
Got him! Got him!
So that looks pretty bad. I need to get to the bottom of that, see what's going on. Maybe a fuse is too strong that's on it or something. That's all for today's video. That concludes today's video. And I just wanted to leave on a note, and hopefully y'all saw that install. It's fairly easy, not difficult at all to put those HID lights back on. And also, with regards to the channel, there's going to be a lot more content coming, so stay tuned for that. And also, I had to mention the giveaway, so stay tuned for those details as well on the giveaway. And anyway, with that being said, we'll see you guys on the next one.